Okay, let's take a look at the Unit 8 review number 18. Given quadrilaterals ABCD is similar to quadrilaterals ZYXW, find the area of the smaller figure and x. Okay, let's first of all solve for x. That's actually probably the way to go about this first. The thing we have to be very careful of here is when you look at the similarity statement, I know the length of BC. So I find BC in my similarity statement. It's the middle two letters, which means that it corresponds to YX. So BC and YX are the corresponding parts. So if I wanted to write a proportion to solve for X, I would do 18 over 126, because those two are corresponding, equals 10 over X. Then when we cross multiply, I get 18x is equal to 1260, divide by 18, divide by 18, and x is going to equal 70. To find the area of the smaller figure, what I need to do here is look at the linear ratio to find the area ratio. Well, the linear ratio is just the ratio of the corresponding sides, which in this case is going to be 18 over 126. When you reduce that fraction, that reduces to 1 over 7. So that means my area ratio is going to be 1 over 7 squared, which is equal to 1 over 49. Then I set up a proportion. The ratio, 1 over 49, of the areas has to equal what I'm looking for, the area of the smaller one over the area of the larger quadrilateral. When we cross multiply, we're going to get 49x is equal to 813. When you divide by 49, you're going to end up with x is equal to about 16.59.